Okay, Shishi. Okay, you put it down there. What? Mama got the video camera. Of course I'm crazy. Of course I'm crazy. Oh, she was trying to throw it so far. What you gave me? You gave my hair. Oh no, it's yours. I just know you would do all three like that. You so innocent. I get your hair. Last time she was backing me up. What happened? Give me a rag. Come on, Danielle, for real though. All right. Stop. Stop me. Put it down. Danielle, for real. I said I quit. Put it down. Don't touch me, though. Mom is taping us. Come on in with that. Just need a little while. Shanna, where are you trying to run to?
They are some crazy teenagers. I swear, oh my God. Look at Tana. Oh my God. Look at them. Why, they're black. And they're black teenagers.
Mom's already talking about it.
Oh my God. Look at her. Oh.
My God.
Oh my gosh, Mona, look at this car, okay?
So
it's so dirty. But we're gonna get it clean.
Oh my God. They act like they never seen water before, Hyman.
Give me Mona. Hold on. Hey! Okay, that's enough of the braces. That's enough of the braces, Mona. Okay, shall I pose?
Yes.
Hi,
Oh my God. Look at her mouth. She has all that silver. Her mom can afford gold. But take my keys out of there.
Oh my gosh, I think not.
Come on. Bring on war. Bring on the war. That's right, son. That curl bag. I ain't sweating.
What's that?
We never will get done. Girl. Come on, Shishi, come here. Go around the tree.
Don't say it. Yeah, come on, Frida. Don't make me give you a bath out here.
Danielle, who's that little boy?
You know what he did to me?
He grabbed Shanna. Shanna said that he grabbed her breast.
Oh my God. What a handful. Be washing my car. But it doesn't look like they're gonna succeed. There's a toothpick. There's a straw. There's a, I don't know what them two are.
That came up. Come on, y'all. No, man, kid just got me on my back of the stove. Y'all, you was dirty.
See, I'm leaving that water alone.
Don't think I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna it.
I can't do it.
Shishi, I'm gonna hurt you.
Sing, Kira.
This is the way we roll, we roll.
You gonna do the time?
Oh, Kira, Shanna. Shanna.
Cece, you gonna do the time?
Oh, I'm rolling.
I ain't gonna.
I'm
Come and get the time.
Oh my gosh, Mona, look, my butt is so wet.
Kira, where is your butt?
I don't know.
Put that down. Quick,
We're
don't
rolling. I just Kira sing.
We gonna get, you can't do everything. You gotta do the time. I already did the time. You didn't do that?
Y'all need to take the, did somebody cut it down some?
Okay.
Did somebody cut it down some?
Yeah, I think
I thought so.
I'm washing my car.
This is the way we wash your car.
This is the way we wash. This is the way we wash our car.
This is the way we wash. Here it is, Michael Jackson. I'll wait you all my way. Money across the road.
How was the party last night, girls?
Good. It was too thick.
Too thick, fat,
Did y'all dance?
fine nigga.
Wasn't nobody dancing.
But y'all like parties, right?
Yeah.
Wrong.
Yes, right.
So, Brandy Gardner.
Watch.
This is the way we roll, we roll. This is the way we roll, we're rolling.
She said we wash it.
We wash it. This is the way we wash it.
Yeah, I've been killing videos, mate.
My business straight. I'm all about ring job. Great. Good news.
No, she didn't.
Yes, hit 10 million. Thinking back to when you first got started on us. They did. That go.
I promise.
The way we roll.
Not yet, she. Not yet. I just got sprayed the green.
This is the way we roll, we roll. This is the way we roll.
Pretty.
I'm just being green.
I don't want you to spray the
I
green.
won't pay my.
Got
That's fine.
Just 20 more cards if y'all want them up to my house.
That's my
That's
granddad.
fine.
I'll give you something else. Ammo back in the car. Get this card on the TV, y'all.
Yep, that's next.
Hey,
Hey, right. We can't drive that though.
we're rolling.
Kira, go on.
What's up with that corner? What's over there?
We trying to watch.
Must be a man over in that
I
corner.
know, everybody keeps going over it. What's my business? White boy.
A lion.
Shut up.
A lion.
That's my neighbor's girl.
Okay, y'all ready for the inside?
Yeah.
It's time for the Shakira Lee Goldsmith documentary of the day.
I don't think
I am here to talk to you about some of the problems that black youths are facing today. One of them is smelling like dang. In case you didn't hear me, this is the Shakira Lee Goldsmith daily documentary. I am here to talk to you about many of the problems black youths face today. The most serious is smelling like Miss Danielle Sanders. Whether you believe this or not, this is a most serious situation, okay? Now we need to do something to help our young people overcome this. If you would like to help out, dial 1-800-223-WASH. 1-800-223-WASH.
My butt.
Go ahead, keep on.
And look, you got me.
Danielle, look at her butt.
Knock it off this one.
Oh my gosh, Shauna, Tina, look at her butt. It's so big. It's like out there. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends. But who understands those rap guys?
God.
They only talk to her because she looks like a total prostitute. I mean, it's just so big. It's just so black. Like big butts and it's not black. Now you walk. It's her.
You are.
Okay.
Oh my God.
No, Kira does that. You sir mix a lot.
Okay, you ready?
All right.
Make her have black.
Oh my gosh, Danielle, look at her butt. It is so big. I mean, it's like out there, it's so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends. But who understands those rap guys? The only reason they talk to her is because she looks like
Brandon
a
like big butts and you cannot lie. You other guys can't deny. When Shauna walks in with the itty bitty waist and around in your face, you get sprung.